Part 2. What is the machining process followed at your company? For convenience of our clients, we have developed unique, proprietary method for manufacturing precision components for our clients. This is how it hows. Step 1. Clients approach us with their specific requirement of precision machining of component. Step 2. We send a detailed precision machining analysis questionnaire to them. Step 3. With filled-in analysis, clients send us the details and drawings of the precision part. Step 4. We reach to the conclusion. Either we'll do it or we won't. Step 6. If yes, then we do cast analysis. Step 6. Same massage is conveyed to the client along with costs to be incurred. Step 7. When client agrees to our costs and payment terms, we start the work. Step 8. We invite clients to visit our setup at least once. Step 9. Work starts and clients is informed periodically about the program. This is how all the clients' work related to precision machining is handled at PA Precision.